Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of streaming gear, and I've got a real treat for you. If you're serious about streaming and content creation, you know how crucial it is to have the right tools at your disposal. That's why I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Elgato USB-C Stream Deck Plus, the ultimate XLR mixer for streaming available on the market today. Stand out from the crowd? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about tactile control and visual feedback. With its customizable LCD keys, touch strip, and dials, you'll have precise control over your audio, video, lighting, and more. And with the touch-sensitive screen, you'll always know that your commands have been executed. But wait, there's more. The Elgato USB-C Stream Deck Plus isn't just an XLR mixer. It's a studio controller, a production console. It can be whatever you need it to be. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or producing content, this device has you covered. And let's not forget about the powerful plugins that come with it. From Elgato Wavelink to OBS, Twitch, YouTube, and more, you'll have access to a whole suite of tools to take your content to the next level. And here's the best part, the Stream Deck app and store. With drag-and-drop setup, downloadable plugins, icons, royalty-free tracks, and regular updates, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, folks, the Elgato USB-C Stream Deck Plus, the best XLR mixer for streaming available on the market today. If you're serious about taking your content to the next level, this is the tool you need. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy streaming.